Good morning, students. This is Professor Nitin Karoulia from Sagar Group of Institutions, SIRTE, Bhopal. Today, we are going to take another very interesting topic from project management. So to start with the topic, we will first go ahead with the concept and definition of project management. Project management as defined by a different people is like Newman et al. Defined the project typically has a distinct mission that it is designed to achieve and a clear termination point, the achievement of the mission. According to Encyclopedia of Management, project is an organized unit dedicated to the attainment of goal, the successful completion of a development project on time, within budget, in conformance with predetermined program specification. Project management is an organized venture for managing projects. This involves scientific application of modern tools and techniques in planning, financing, implementing, monitoring, controlling, and coordinating unique activities or tasks produce desirable outputs in accordance with the determined objectives with the constraints of time and cost. So we understood that there are few basic things in a project. One being there is a clear-cut objective for which the object is meant. There has to be an objective and there has to be a timeline to it. There has to be a cost to it, and the conformance or the project has to be taken in such a manner that the objective is achieved. It should be achieved in the given time frame, and it should be achieved within the cost. Now coming to the characteristics of project, there are certain characteristics of any project. The first being the objectivity, the objective of the project. A project has a set of objectives or a mission. Once the objectives are achieved, the project is treated as completed. For example, we can take, say, a highway. There can be a highway from X city to Y city. There can be a 6-lane, there can be a 4-lane, or whatever sort of the highway it is. So there can be a highway from Ahmedabad to Vadodara. So this can be a project X kilometers of length and 6-lane or 4-lane, whatever the kind of project is. So this is the objective. There can be some power plant generating X megawatt of electricity. Okay. Then second comes the life cycle. A project has a life cycle. The life cycle consists of 5 stages: conception stage, definition stage, planning and organization stage, implementation stage, and commissioning stage. Another important characteristic of project is its uniqueness. Every project is unique, and there can be no projects who can be similar. Setting up a cement plant and construction of a highway are two different projects having unique features. You can say to disagree, you may say that there can be 2 cement plants, okay, but then the location cannot be the same. Both the cement plants cannot be on the same location, right? Third comes the teamwork. Project is a teamwork, and it normally consists of diverse areas. There will be personnel specialized in the respective areas, and coordination among the diverse areas calls for the teamwork. We know that there are so many activities in a project, and it has to be completed with the teamwork. Complexity. A project is a complex set of activities relating to diverse areas. Risk and uncertainty. Risk and uncertainty go hand in hand with project. Risk-free, it only means that the element is not apparently visible on the surface and it will be hidden underneath. Customer specifications. Every project has a particular requirement from its customer's point of view. Customer who has given this project or who is behind the project or financing the project, customer can have its unique specifications. So it is the responsibility of the project manager, project organization to complete the project as per the specifications given by the customer. Change. Changes occur throughout the lifespan of a project as a natural outcome of many environmental factors. The changes may vary from minor changes, which may have very little impact on the project, to major changes, which may have a big impact or even may change the very nature of the project. Optimality. A project is always aimed at optimum utilization of resources for the overall development of the economy. Subcontracting. High level of work in a project is done through contractors. The more the complexity of the project, the more will be the extent of contracting. To take an example, say a builder has come up with a project of constructing a building of say 450 houses. Okay. Now there can be certain works which he will give on contract basis. It can be say any fittings, it can be any electrical fittings, or it can be any woodwork that he may be getting done on subcontracting basis. Then comes unity and diversity. A project is a complex set of thousands of varieties. The varieties are in terms of technology, equipment and materials, machinery and people, work, culture and others. So this is all for today for the introduction perspective of project management. We will continue this topic in the next class. Thank you.